Hello everyone, today's video is Year 6 SATs Paper 2 Reasoning, and this is part 2. If you haven't already, please go and watch part 1 before this video. I have linked part 1 in the description box below. In today's video, you'll be needing a pen, ruler and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So let's get to the video. Here we have our first question. Question 14. Complete the table. We are asked to round 39,476. If the digit is a 1, 2, 3 or 4, we round down, and if the digit is a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we round up. Now we're rounding to the nearest 10,000, so we look at the digit next to it, which is the 1000s column, and that's a 9, so we're going to be rounding up. So the answer would be 40,000. Now we're rounding to the nearest 1000, so we look at the hundreds column, which is a 4, so we're rounding down. So the answer is 39,000. Lastly, we're rounding to the nearest 100, so we look at the tens column, which is a 7, so we're going to be rounding up, and our answer would be 39,500. Question 15. Amina asked 60 children to choose their favourite flavour of jelly. These were her results. What percentage of the 60 children chose orange? The total number of children is 60. So 60 children would equal 100%. Now we are asked to find the percentage of children that chose orange. 15 children chose orange. So we're going to do 60 divided by 15, and whatever the answer is, we're going to do the same to this side. So 60 divided by 15 is 4, so we've divided by 4. So if we also do 100 divided by 4, we get our answer. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the percentage of children that chose orange is 25%. Question 2. Write the missing number. For this question, we are going to be using BIDMAS. B standing for brackets, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. In this question, we don't have any brackets, so we're going to cross that out. We don't have any indices or division, but we do have multiplication. So we're going to be doing the multiplication first. 2 times 2 is 4. Then we're going to be moving on to the addition. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 minus a number equals 6. Now if we do 10 minus 6, we can get the answer for this box here. 10 minus 6 is 4, so our answer is 4. Question 17. These two shapes have the same perimeter. The length of each side of the hexagon is 8 centimeters. Calculate the area of the square. We're going to start off by working out what the perimeter of the hexagon is. A hexagon has 6 sides, so we're going to do 6 times 8, which gives us 48. So the perimeter of the hexagon equals 48 centimeters. At the top we are told that the two shapes have the same perimeter. That means that the square also has a perimeter of 48 centimeters. Now we are asked to find the area of the square, and to find the area of the square we need to find out what each side of the square equals. So if we do 48 divided by 4, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice, so each side of the square equals 12 centimeters. To work out the area of the square, we times one side by the other side, and a square has the same sides. All the sides equal the same. So if we do 12 times 12, which is 144, we get our area. Now you must show your working out for this. In the exam you would even get a box like this which it says show your method in. Even if you don't get the correct answer, you can still get marks for your working out, so remember to show your working. Question 18. Circle the prime number. So we're going to start off with 95. 95 ends in a 5, and we know that numbers that can be divided by 5 end in either a 5 or a 0. So this number isn't a prime because it can be divided by 5. 89. 89 ends in a 9, and 9 isn't an even number, so it can't be divided by 2. If we add the digits 8 and 9, we get 17, and 17 isn't a multiple of 3, so this would be our prime number. Now if we check, 87 ends in a 7, so it can't be divided by 2. But if we add 8 and 7, we would get 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3, so it can be divided by 3, which means that this number isn't prime. Now we've got to explain how we know that other numbers are not prime. 95 isn't a prime number because it has a factor of 5. And 87 isn't a prime number because it is divisible by 3. Question 19. A machine pours 250 milliliters of juice every 4 seconds. How many liters of juice does the machine pour every minute? So we know that 250 mils are poured every 4 seconds. Now we need to find out how many milliliters are poured in every minute. And we know a minute is 60 seconds. So if we do 60 divided by 4, how many 4s are in 6? That's 1. Remainder of 2. How many 4s are in 20? That's 5. So here we've times 4 by 15 to get 60. Now if we times this side by 15, we can find out how many milliliters are poured every minute. So times that by 15. Now if we do a column method for this, 250 times 15, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 5 is 25, remembering a 2, 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 2 is 12. Now moving on to our next digit, putting a 0 down first. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2. Now we're going to add them all together. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3,750 millilitres. But we want our answer in litres. To find out what it is in litres, we need to divide our number by 1,000. So if we move the decimal place 3 points, so our decimal points would have been here, 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3.75. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for part 3. If you have any suggestions on what video I should do next, please comment down below.